Quess Corp is in focus. The news came out that they're acquiring Monster India and the care business of HCL Info as well. Let's understand more about these acquisitions and what else is in store for Quess Corp. Joining in right now is Ajit, Chairman Managing Director of the company. And lovely having you with us. Good afternoon. Mr. Isaac, congratulations on these two acquisitions. Let's start off with the care business of HCL Services from HCL Infosystems. Can you tell us what exactly this is bringing to the table for the company and what was the exact quantum of money spent?
Good afternoon and good to be with you today. Our customer lifecycle management initiative began with first investment in Tata Business Support Solutions sometime back, about a couple of months back. We decided that we'll build out the platform into more than just a BPO and a call center. That's when we reviewed the opportunity with HCL Care. HCL Care is a company that services cell phones and used consumer durables. So stepping forward from warranty care to break fix, they have a whole suite of services that they deliver. It's perhaps India's largest in this space. They have close to about 83 branches and 200 other franchised outlets. The revenues of about 200 crores. And we are hopeful of building this into a fairly large-sized business in India. This sits very well with our customer lifecycle management investment in Tata Business Support Solutions, and we think that together with that, we'll be able to grow a substantially attractive customer lifecycle management asset.
Get a sense of the Monster acquisition, which it will clearly boost your presence in the HR services space. Tell us, what are the geographies you gain access to via this acquisition and what has been the value of it?
Sure. So the first, Monster is one of the oldest and well-known iconic internet brands that grew at the time of Alta Vista, Lycos, Yahoo, etc., and it still retained a tremendous brand presence in among its customers. Why we did this is because this platform gives us an internet-led digital solution to connecting demand and supply of workforce in India and the other geographies. Combined with the digital push that we've got, this helps Quess into developing what is perhaps India's first workforce management platform with the digitization of the supply and demand connections that we're making at the very early stage. And we get access now into Hong Kong, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and India, along with the Middle East. So it's a substantially large geography, and it gives us a great start into these markets.
Can't help but squeeze in a question about your earnings as well. First, tell us, are there any more acquisitions on the cards or fundraising plans, and will your margins expand in the coming quarters?
Well, our margins have consistently been expanding across the last 2 years. We are right now at about 5.74%. We have visibility to crossing 6% towards the end of the year. Our target is to get as close to 8% or so as possible. All our incremental acquisitions in the last 1 year have been those that have led us to crossing 6%, and we think we are very well placed, and we are on a good wicket to be able to cross 6% EBITDA margin this time. We don't have any more fundraising plans. We're averse to any more dilution at this stage. We have enough cash to fund working capital and bolt-on acquisitions if required. We right now are running a plan to reach a 650 crore or $100 million EBITDA target by 2020. We're well placed to get to that, and all these acquisitions are directed towards helping our company get to that goal.
Isaac, thanks a lot for chatting with us at length about these acquisition details and your plans to sustain the margin growth, and all the very best for the same.